That whole board's done. Leggy, don't need it.
I'm gonna write that one down. Ayo, ayo, ayo. It is a beautiful day today. We are here in Second Valley getting some exciting shots in with my boy. Hang on, you're reflective as shit. Hang on. There you go. That was nice. This is Samuel.
Hello.
You excited for today?
Yeah, pretty pumped.
That is the best marketing I've ever seen.
Golden Gay Times are the best ice cream. So if you're going to put any ice cream on top of a sign or on a sign, you're going to put a Golden Gay Time, aren't you, Sam?
Best ever. Best
Oh my God, delicious. We've rolled up to Second Valley. How are you feeling, Sammy boy?
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Good. There's also some other friends. There's Elliot and Max. And Elliot's got to work, don't you, big fella?
No.
No what?
Oh, sorry, I was supposed to go along with it.
And this little lounge lizard here is Jackson. It's like I'm tickling your front. Hey bro.
Follow the line.
Follow the line. Catch ya. Apparently it's a tunnel that goes all the way down and then out the other side.
No way.
Bye, Big Gav.
See you soon. Yeah.
Bye, beautiful boy.
See ya.
Yep, see you later.
Get into the guy.
Not the camera, it's me. Oh, see, I told you, it's ripping. I'm really enjoying your octopus riding a rocket ship, son.
Goes well with my stick man chilling on a cloud.
Do it. Who cares about your tattoo?
Get in the water, Sammy boy. Sam, you've got an excuse not to go in the water. I just don't really feel like it.
Yeah.
Is that bad?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. You live in Australia. You should be used to getting in the water.
I know.
It's changed direction.
Someone said you were next, Jackson.
What the f is that?
I mean, catch ya. There's the gram. See you, son. See you, man.
Catch you later.
Bye, bro. Check this out. I bought pants from a undisclosed supermarket chain slash whatever clothing store you want to call it a couple of weeks ago. No, not a couple of weeks ago. I'll give it a little bit more than that. A couple of months ago for $3, $4, $5 or something like that. I may or may not have ripped them. That's not very good, is it? Oopsie. That was a fun day. Now I'm getting picked up by some other mates and we're gonna go south again, which I just was. Big day, man. Big day. Check that out! Oh!
Hendrix Purple Haze.
Oh, Pat with the bangers!
Jimi Hendrix Purple Haze, mate. How good?
We have arrived in Victor Harbour. We are staying here tonight, and tomorrow we are heading to Tunkalilla Bay. Is that what it's called? Tunkalilla Beach. Tunk's Head, somewhere, but it's near Deep Creek. I had an amazing day at Second Valley today. There's a lot of friends in this vlog. All of their thingies will be linked below. I will see you tomorrow for a beautiful sunrise.
Time is 5 AM in the morning. I have slept a total of 4 hours. We're heading to Tunkalilla Bay as mentioned yesterday. What are you doing?
There's a mosquito.
Ugh. Yes. Lately I've found out that having girls in your videos increases the rate and the views. I've brought women. That's not really the reason. Maggie, Han, and then obviously you know the 10, Pat. But we're here, Tunkalilla Bay, Tunkalilla Beach. I'm not really sure what exactly it's called, but it is an absolute scene. What's your thoughts on this morning's sunrise, P Money?
Unbelievable.
Do you think
Captain Fantastic.
Do you think you'll be getting upright in a or on a board of some description this morning?
Possibly. It's cleaning up.
Good. I want to see you do some shackers in the green room. We have made it to the beach and we are straight chilling. P Money's going for a surf. What a boy. Pat has a little bit of a situation on the surfboard front.
Oh, it was already snapped.
Hey? No, just then on the first wave.
But was it creased before? No. Did you land on it or was it the wave?
What? Crease straight movement.
Because I've creased.
Does that happen regularly?
Yeah.
Guys, you'll look back on these days as the golden days of your years, alright?
These are it.
These are it. We're living it right now.
Right here, right now.
On this beautiful beach in the middle of bumf nowhere. This morning I didn't get any footage of Pat surfing. I only got him coming out on the drone. So this is a reenactment of Pat surfing. Pat, this is how you surf. You see a wave coming in, you're... Or do you like little nipper style? Oh, damn it. I would have stuffed up then, eh? Alright, we'll try again. There's an absolute barrel forming behind me. Oh my God. Abdominal strength, nor the balance to pull it off like you do, Pat. Feel the wind beneath my wings. And also the most attractive man I know. Well done. Alright, we are leaving the beach, heading to one of my favourite places in the world for pie time. Key for pie time, Pat?
Key for pasta time.
Regardless, here we are.
Is that a veggie one?
Pie time! I'm just gonna say that walk was absolutely f***ed, Pat. Oh yeah. This is really something. Sweat is literally pulsating from my face. Oh my God!
I'm not gonna water.
Sorry the vlog was late, but I was having fun with my friends and doing activities, and I think that's more important than editing a video, and I think that's the point of this vlog. Get out and do something with your mate. Move, get off the couch, hang out, and do some fun things. Get up for sunrise, and whatever other messages you want to give or take from this vlog. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you desire. I'm gonna go jump in the pool and hang out with my friends a little bit more. I'll see you on Wednesday, because obviously no, what's the day today? See you on Friday. Because obviously I post Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, 6 PM Adelaide time. See you then.